Hello happy souls, this is about Suzuki Max 100 or revamp, and these are all the chapters which I covered for this restoration process, and this is exclusively about Suzuki Max 100 or chapter 11 unboxing. And in that today we are in part 5 unboxing the repair kit for the carburetor, and the brand name is Natco repair kit, and this is a New Delhi based company. The price is 267 and bought in Chennai, and this is 2020 packed and I bought in 2022. And other than that, this is the repair kit for repairing the carburetor if the o-rings and other internal jets, springs and other components of the carburetor may not be available in loose, but you can get this and use it for the repair. And for me it doesn't suit because he gave me the samurai one, mine is a max or 100 one. There was a variation in the jet needle length and the air screw vent, the whole size of the hole and other things. Mostly there won't be a problem. If you face anything, you just go for it. This is just to show that there is a repair kit available for the carburetor, and other than that this is useless for me because this doesn't suit me. Check out my other videos.